Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Detail Matters. If you don't know me already, I'm Bradley Mills, your curator of your glove box. Today, we're going to be working on this beautiful 1970 442 while unboxing our March 2020 glove box. All coming up on this episode. So let's open the box. This is what I envision how it happens for you guys. Every time. What do we have first? Shake it out, shake it out. From the Rad Company, the Everest Ultra Plush Microfiber Towel, 550 GSM. Nighttime. This thing is awesome. I freaking love it. We're not just giving you this plush microfiber towel with not something to use with it, right? So, Adams, this new drop, the CS3, cleans, shines, protects. This product is phenomenal. Basically, I hate to use that word basically, but basically it is a waterless wash on steroids. It cleans your car, your dusty car, your dirty car. It adds depth to your paint and it adds protection. That's why I assume they called it the CS3, clean, shines, protects. How I do this, if the car's kind of dirty, I am going to spray on a hood this size. This is typically a big hood, but I'll probably, if the hood's dirty, I will spray about 12 sprays on here, 12 to 15 sprays, and then wipe it up with our Everest very lightly, cleaning it up. If it's not so dirty, I'm going to use about 6 sprays and then just lightly wipe it on, just like spray wax, just like quick detailer, as you guys know. Light motions, wiping that up. Super easy to use. This is a game changer, guys. That's why I was so excited to get this into your hands and the proper towel to use it with. So, try that out. Comment below, let us know what you think of that. Next, bam! Jax Wax Total Interior. The name says it all. I like to use this on the interiors because one, I love the smell of it. Two, I can use it on tons of different surfaces. Alcantara, suede, leather, fabric, the dashboard, also on the top of this 442. Clean, it does its job, and I assume that's why they called it Total Interior, because it's a total package. You can use it on all different surfaces. Try that out. Let us know what you think. Let me know what you think about that smell too. Next, from Masterson's Car Care, ammonia-free glass cleaner. What does ammonia-free mean to us? Safe to use on tint, navigation screens, my dashboard, my dash cluster, I should say. Or even if you use it on your dashboard, since it's ammonia-free, it's safer. So, with that, to pair perfectly. How are you going to clean the glass? Of course we're going to give you a glass cowl. Another one from the Rad Company. This is the Smitten, two-sided. It's like a glove, bam, you put your hand in there. Let me make sure I'm saying this correctly. Smitten glass mitt, I was. There's also little finger holes in here to keep this thumb hole and a pinky finger hole, so easy to flip around. One side is the waffle weave, one side has the fibers. Tip and a little trick I use for cleaning glass is I'll work from the outside in. And the reason I do that is because when I'm cleaning the glass going back and forth, if it's really dirty in there, I'm going to just bring that dirt to one side, back to the other side, back to the other, and that's kind of what creates the streaks. So when I do the counterclockwise or clockwise, I'm slowly working my way into the middle and I'm capturing that dirt right there in the middle, and then I'm wiping it up. Then I'll do another glass one more time around, just making sure that I got everything, and that's really what gets your streak free. When you're getting those streaks, really what you're doing is you're just pushing the dirt around on your glass. Super annoying. So try that little trick out, going clockwise or counterclockwise slowly into the middle, capturing everything right there in the middle and lifting it off of the surface. I usually start with the fiber side, and then my last wipe down, I'll use the waffle weave side. You can also flip this inside out if you'd like. Two more sides to it. What else? Already. 3 sprayers, of course. Gotta use the sprayers on there. Pause. And 3 sprayers. 1, 2, 3. Bam. Try those out. Everything you need this month taken care of you. Thanks for watching another episode of Detail Matters. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click on the little bell for notifications so you can get updates when we put out new videos to show you little tips and tricks and what's included in upcoming glove boxes, and also some sneak peek videos coming your way of different how-tos. Comment below if you want to see me work on something, if you want to see me work on wet sanding this car, or steam cleaning, or waxing, or anything car detailing related. Let us know below and we will do our best to make that happen. All right guys, until next time.